How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new episode of the Sarthak Show. And today we'll talk about some Lukaku to Chelsea transfer news. It was reported early in the morning only that a Chelsea bid has been rejected officially. Fabrizio Romano reported that an 85 million euros offer, including a player that was Marcos Alonso, has been rejected by Inter Milan. And you know why Marcos Alonso? Because he missed the game 2 days back against Arsenal versus Chelsea. If you remember, Marcos Alonso has been linked with Inter move since the last 2 windows only because they want to strengthen their left wing back spot. But earlier Chelsea didn't have a replacement, so they didn't sell him. Basically, that's the deal. And you should know also, Chelsea have attempted to re-sign Lukaku since he left Stamford Bridge in July 2014, earlier as well. Prior to this, Belgian was favoured to be moving to Stamford Bridge in 2017, but Jose Mourinho hijacked that deal when he was at Old Trafford. Chelsea basically love Lukaku. They cannot get over him. And this is the thing right here. Chelsea have been warned now by Inter Milan that they want more than 100 million euros for the striker, as the transfer talks will continue in the future, most possibly. Also, you should know that Chelsea definitely now are in advanced talks of reacquiring Lukaku. So this is official now, Chelsea fans. So listen to this. Having played a key role in Inter Serie A win last season, Lukaku is very much happy at Inter and he's fully much focused on the next season as well. So you really have to put in your backside if you want to get Lukaku. Inter needed to reduce their wage bill in this summer, and title-winning boss Antonio Conte was the only one that who left at the start. You know why? Because Conte wanted no one of the title-winning squad should be sold, but Inter said we have to clear the budget and we have to sell some players. So Antonio Conte basically said no, like he does always disagree with the board, and he left, rightly so, in his own mind. Chelsea are determined to sign a world-class striker, and the other main target this summer has been also one of the most difficult one. That is Erling Haaland. Haaland hopes right now might just be in the mud. It is a financial disaster, or it is just a great pull if you can manage to do it. But right now, it seems very highly unlikely. So now I speak to you directly, Chelsea fan. There is one thing that you guys need to know. Haaland to Chelsea would have happened very easily. Chelsea can make it happen. They can go with money if the player wants. They can go with any offer that the player wants. But that is right now not the situation. Dortmund doesn't want to sell, and Chelsea will not make a bid unless they know that it will be accepted. This is not a formal procedure or anything. Chelsea will basically do not send a formal offer or a bid of any sorts of forms if they know that it is going to be rejected. This is not an attempt to master any art or whatever. Chelsea have been in the transfer market before as well for a lot of money, and they are back here at it again. So they know how to get their business done, and they will eventually only send an offer if Borussia Dortmund wants that, yeah, will be accepted. So there is no other psychology here. On the other hand, when we talk about managers' thoughts, Thomas Tuchel is very much relaxed despite the club's lack of new summer signings right now. He's saying that please don't put that kind of blame on me that yeah, I just won the Champions League and I'm pressurizing the board. I want this signing, I want this player, and they'll just pull the rabbit out of the hat and buy the player. This is not like that. He's saying I'm very much calm. We have plans and we are discussing within our board members as well. All of the Chelsea business, surprisingly has been loaning out players, selling the players right now only. And only one arrival came in. That was a goalkeeper that will be a substitute for Willy Caballero, who has just retired. So it is good to see that all the calm is there, but the signings need to happen. You know that. A striker needs to come. But Chelsea fans just don't give up yet, because you know why? It has been reported officially now by Fabrizio Romano that Chelsea will go again with another bid for Inter striker, because Inter are expecting them to make a very decent bid. I know there is a lot of thing that yeah, Lukaku is very happy, but if Chelsea wants to make a money bid that is above 100 million or maybe 120 million region, Inter might really consider it. Seemingly their financial crisis is right now going on. So anything can happen. And now another worrying news is, do you think Chelsea fans signings are important for the Super Cup that is on 11th of August? Or yeah, it's just a game, you can manage it against Villarreal? In my opinion, it is not a thing that you should stress on right now. You have a lot of players right now. Thomas Tuchel can have a decent lineup lined up in for the match against Villarreal, and you can still win it easily. So that's it for this short video on the Sarthak Show on Lukaku Chelsea news. And of course, if you liked it, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.